If you're looking for an easy appetizer to make for your upcoming Super Bowl party, consider these 3 easy air fryer recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pigs in a blanket, potato sliders, and air fryer wings. All right, let's start off with the easiest recipe. You only need 2 things for this. For pigs in a blanket, you're gonna need little smokies and crescent rolls. I highly recommend getting the Hillshire Farms little smokies. I am using the off-brand ones because my store was out, but they're not the same. For the crescent rolls, you're just gonna cut those into thirds. If you wanna use a knife, that's fine, but a pizza cutter is easier because it doesn't stick to the crescent rolls. Wrap up those little weenies in the crescent rolls, and then we're going to line our air fryer. You're gonna wanna make sure that the air can flow evenly around the little smokies, so make sure that there is space between each one. I have the double tray Ninja air fryer, so I was able to fill both trays and cook them at the same time. And boom, they're done. They're so good. These are really easy in the oven, but faster in the air fryer. All right, next up, we're gonna make the potato sliders. Take 1 large russet potato, slice that bad boy up. Mine was a little large, so I did not end up using all of it, but you can make multiple batches if needed. You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper, and then just stir that up so they're evenly coated. And then line your air fryer baskets with those potatoes. You're gonna cook that so they start to crisp up, and then flip them over and cook them some more. All right, once they are ready, you're gonna top them with cheddar cheese and air fry them again for 2 to 3 more minutes. And boom, so easy. Gonna take those out, and then the best part is you're gonna add toppings. So I already had air fried some bacon, and then I also have green onions and sour cream as well. I'm not a huge sour cream fan, so I did not cover them all with sour cream, but you can just keep the toppings on the side if you want to, but these were a huge hit. Next up, we're gonna make chicken wings, super popular for football. You're gonna take 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, stir that up so they're coated, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then ½ a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix that all up so they're evenly coated with your seasoning. And then we're going to put that in the air fryer. I'm going to separate the wings so they are, what do you call them, like drums and sticks? No, the same kind. I'm blanking on it, but that way they cook evenly. And shake them up after you get 10 minutes through, and then finish them out for another 8 to 10 minutes. Check for the internal temp, at least 165. Once you're ready, take those out. They are so crispy and delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Please comment below, subscribe, and like, and let me know what you want to see in future videos.